If you are needing a sprinkler head, this video is for you. So this is the Orbit Voyager 2 sprinkler head, and noticed that the grass in that particular area was starting to die. And come to find out, the previous non-Orbit Voyager 2 sprinkler head had gone bad. So picked this up, and these things are awesome. They screw in. Didn't even need to dig anything up. I just unscrewed the old damaged one, and pretty simple. It comes with all these different heads that allow you to adjust the throw, how far away the water is going to shoot, and then it comes with a tool. You don't need any other tools provided. So on the head you have a hole here and a hole here. This adjusts your angle, so you want to go 360, or just like in this example we're only doing a 180. With the tool, you stick it in there, you adjust it to where you like it, and then you can adjust it to go 45, 10 degrees, 365 degrees. You really have a lot of play with this. This end right here will stick in the hole and allow you to adjust how far the water is being thrown, and then you can fully customize it with how much actual water you want to be displayed. Very, very cool. Everything is in here, nice and neat, and when determining where you want this to go, you can manually adjust it. You can hear it click. So in this example, we're at 180 degrees. These things are awesome. And then when they're done, they hide all the way down in the yard. And with the top being green, it blends in with the grass if your grass is cut short. Hope this helps.